How to install Kids Monitor app. At first, install an app on your own parental device. The device will also be the administrator for other parents. Search for Kids Monitor in the Play Store and run the installation. Open the app, and after previewing some of the features, select the option, "This device is parental." Since we do not have an account yet, select Register. Fill out the form, and you automatically get a user account. Or, you want an easier way? Sign in with your Facebook or Google account. Log in, and now you're holding your first parental device. After installing the parental app, continue with installing the child's app on its device. In your child's phone, search for Kids Monitor app on the Play Store and run the installation. After installing and opening the application, select Child's device. On the child's device, select Enable GPS Position. In Notifications, center Enable Access for Kids Monitor notifications. Enable accessibility at the bottom of the screen under Services, and enable tracking your activities. Click the back arrow 2 times and once back on the phone to return to the application. Next, select the Enable Kids Monitor option as administrator and press the Activate button. The last authorization is for the battery usage. In the parent email row, enter the mail number under which you registered in the parental version. Select the PIN code to pair with your account and then hit Activate. The parental device will receive an activation mail. After which we will select the option Confirm Child's Device Additional to your account. Continue with activating a child's device by entering a PIN code. In this case, it's 4 zeros. And then fill in the child's name and the type of device you have activated. Finally, hit the button Activate Kid. You can also add a photo to your child's profile. Click on Settings, tap Change Photo button, and select a photo to add to his or her account. Tap Save Settings button to preserve changes you have made. Repeat this procedure on all children's devices you want to manage. If all the children's devices are installed and paired, hit the option Add Another Parent. Of course, you can add more parental devices, father, mother, grandmother, uncle, and the like. How do I add another parent? Repeat the installation and registration of the parental version on another device. Next, in the parent's first device in the app, open the menu and choose Add Another Parent. Enter the email below which the other parent is registered and select the children to be managed. We will confirm with the Add Selected Children. Administrator of all parental devices is the first parental device. The list of parents could be found in the Applications menu of this device, under the Settings option at the bottom.